Hi everyone, our learning intention for today is to add 3 small numbers spotting pairs to 10 and doubles. Our success criteria is I can count on, I can spot doubles, and I can spot bonds to 10. When adding numbers together, we should look for doubles or number bonds to help us do this quickly and accurately. Let's look at my first 3 cards. I have an 8, a 5, and a 5. I need to find the total of these 3 cards. Can you write an equation? Remember, when we're adding numbers together, we always begin with the biggest number. So we can change this to 8, add 5, add 5. But can you spot a quicker way to add these 3 numbers together? Well done if you spotted double 5, which is 10. So instead of doing 8, add 5, we can add the 2 5s together to give us 10 and make the equation 10 add 8. Can you work out the answer? Well done, the answer was 18. Let's try another example. On these 3 cards, my numbers are 7, 9 and 3. Can you spot a number bond or a double that would give us a quicker way to add these numbers together? Well done if you spotted the number bond 7 add 3, which gives us 10. If we add the 7 and 3 together, it gives us 10. We then add the 9 to the 10. So our equation would be 10 add 9 equals... Can you now work out the answer, putting a number in your head or by counting on using your fingers? Well done, the answer is 19. Let's try a third example. 6 add 4 add 6. Can you spot any number bonds or doubles that would help us to solve this equation? Well done if you spotted the number bond 6 and 4, which would give us 10. So the equation could be 10 add 6, or you may have spotted the double 6. If we add these 2 6s together, it gives us 12. So our equation could also be 12 add 4. Now can you work out the answer, putting a number in your head or counting on using your fingers? Well done, the answer to 10 add 6 or 12 add 4 is 16. Let's try one last equation together. Let's look at the 3 cards. We have a 5, a 2 and a 9. Can you spot a number bond or a double? Well done, that was a trick question. There are no doubles and no number bonds. So how do you think we should add these numbers together? That's right, we always start with the biggest number, so we would start with the number 9. You can then add the 5, using your fingers or putting the number in your head. 9 add 5 equals 14. Now that you have that answer, you take your 14 and you add on your 2. 14 add 2 equals 16. Well done. Or if you have 2 small numbers like there are in this example, you may want to add them together. So you can add the 5 and the 2 to give you one number, which would be 7. You can then add the 7 to the 9. So you're only adding one number instead of 2. Today we ask that you complete page 12 of the workbook and/or the mastery checkpoint that is in the weekly plan. For tomorrow we ask that you complete page 13 and/or the NRich task found online. On Wednesday we ask that you complete page 14 and/or page 15. You may also wish to complete the challenge NRich task or the printable adding game or the Funky Mummy game found on ICT Games, where you can practice adding 3 numbers or number bonds. All links and printable downloads can be found in our weekly plan. As always, you may challenge yourself by creating your own addition equations using bigger numbers and writing these in your jotter.